Hey guys, what's going on? So we finished a 3-ton 4-zone here. It's not quite a 2-story, it's like a story and a half, I guess. This bedroom right here has been a problem. We actually came and increased the duct size a couple years ago. Basically, when you look outside, the sun is pounding on it. It's right over there, and it pounds on it all day long. And so this room's always been a problem. So we went with one zone in here, and this is the girls' room, so this room here got a zone as well. It's just a little room, but the ductwork coming over here goes through a very, very tight section up here, and it's really, really hot. But this actually drops down, comes out here, and there is some people here, so I'm gonna put it up a little high. And so this is the zone here that covers a kitchen and a living room. So the unit is essentially straight up right over here. The bedroom always heated and cooled well, but the rest of the house not so much. So this is the master, and the master has one zone here. And there's some stuff on video that I don't want to show, so that's why I'm a little high. There's the master closet in the master bath, and then let's go outside. Alright guys, so this is the far side of the house. East, west would be over there. And so the outdoor unit's here, it's running. The two zones in that, and those two upper bedrooms are running, discharging some nice hot air, just trickling along. So we went and we have two zones that come out of the attic, and you'll see where they go in at. And then we had two zones down here that come from underneath the crawl space. And here is the master bedroom zone. So it comes out, goes down, it dives underneath this deck here, underneath the house, and then out to the unit. So that's one zone from under the house. And then when you come around on this side, you'll see that the living room zone as well, we were able to get into the crawl space. So here's the living room kitchen zone, and it just comes down and dives into the crawl space. And then these two zones over here, they were a little trickier. So what we ended up doing, because this is a garage, and so it's on slab and there's no crawl space. So in order to get the zone from up above that window, we would have had to have come around, wrapped above the gutter, and then probably came down and then ran all the way over to where that gas meter is to get into the crawl space. So instead, what we did is we went up into the attic and then just brought our drain line down, so we still have condensate fall, and the drain line just comes down and runs along. Unfortunately, without using a pump, which is really a weak link in the system, you got to have fall. And it's just tried and true. I know that with gravity, I'm not going to have issues like I would with a pump. And so here's the other zone here above the girls' bedroom. And you can see we just went up, dove right into the attic, and then the condensate drain just comes straight down into the concrete. Now we went over with the customer many different ways. We were going to put the zone possibly over here on this side, but you see this here area complicated some things. So we could have technically came out over there, but then the zone would have been in a really short throw area where it possibly could have done some short cycling, but it would have got us at least into the crawl spaces, which is right there by the steps, where at the beginning of the steps is the crawl space. Ultimately, we decided to go here, even though it's going to condensate water on the concrete, because it was less obtrusive, and aesthetically inside, it looks better to have the two zones over the windows. So anyways, that's 3-ton 4-zone. Thanks for watching.